Okay. Hello. Alright, so this is our, like I think I said in the beginning, this is the SUNLU S8 3D printer. We're at Little Bros, doing the unboxing for it. We're kind of just going through it and inspecting it. We were trying to figure out a way to take it out of there without having to destroy the foam, or the styrofoam, around it, but unfortunately, the way they packed it, you have to. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a 12.2 inch by 12.2 inch by 15.7 inch tall in height, as far as printing. So it's pretty big. And it's just a single nozzle extruder, not a dual. And if you don't know the difference between the two, it's just that the dual means that you can print, two different colors at the same time, without having to switch them. So if you have a project that you want two different colors to print without having to switch your filament, that's what the dual does. And it's pretty similar to the Ender 3. You'll see here that it's actually a little bit more assembled when you get it. So it doesn't require that much stuff. It really doesn't require much to do to put it together. It's just pretty much putting the top there on, and then where I believe at the Ender 3 you have to do a little bit more. But yeah, it's definitely gonna go ahead and it's gonna change the game for us a little bit. The manual is pretty well. It does give you it tells you how to do the bed leveling and everything, so it's pretty good. But all right, I think we're gonna get to the print, so let's go and watch that. Okay, so we did the calibration cube, and there it is. Sorry, yeah, got dirty fingernails. We get working in the yard. It is pretty good. The only blemish you'll see really right there, that's from us trying to get it off the platform. It was a little difficult, but we did. And it does have a couple things you'll see on the arch right there at the tip, and then the arch right there at the tip as well. I know it's probably hard to see. There you go. I'm assuming it's because I had nowhere to connect it to, and I think that'd just be kind of something that you have to look for. But still see a lot of the lines on the top here. you can pretty much sand that away. Yeah, pretty good. Not too shabby for the first thing. So now we're gonna go ahead and print some other stuff.